3, 2, 1, go.
What we have. Okay, so now it's ready. Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. We are doing another domino unboxing and we are back with H5 Domino Creations, but this time we have the neon kit. The most recent release,
but not really,
of the H5 Domino Creations Dominoes. I don't know what else to say about it other than neon colors, and it's, yeah. I don't know. These have actually been out for a little while now, so we bought them, and I'm not the only person who did this. Later in this video, I will be joined by Aaron Does Dominoes.
Guys, I got a box. Guess what's in the box? More boxes. I got 2 sets of H5 Domino Creations here, and one down here because what is it? I already opened that one.
Yeah, so we both got these kits. We got 3 each because
yes.
Anyway, let's get into the unboxing. I'm really freaking hyped to open these up. I'm gonna open just one up first, kind of like what I did with the last unboxing.
Alright, got the box open. Let's see what's inside. I got a little thing, a pamphlet. I dropped the pamphlet. Little pamphlet, little stuff inside. Cool.
We got the 4 new domino colors in here, which I'm really excited for. Really excited. Pretty much manual. Don't really need. So yeah, let's start off with the let's start off here. We got some more half bridges. These are exactly the same to the ones that came in the original kit.
Kind of hard to get out the box a little bit. That's how you know everything's safe. Got the bridges here. Got the thing out.
I think I just hit the camera stand. That's good. We have another one of these. What the heck? We have another template. I now have 5 of these? Yeah, 5 of the H5 Domino Creations one. So yeah.
Oh no, I don't want dirty spots. It's a dog.
1 hour later.
But the dominoes fell out. I got these. Let me try to see if I can get the green out. So I got these. Before I open them, I gotta do something. I'll open those after I got everything out the box.
Meanwhile,
The field starters. Oh my god, these dominoes already look amazing, and I'm really excited for this. Okay, let's open this thing up. Now, in the last video, when I was failing to unbox these dominoes, Baby Cat just put a comment in the comment section of that video saying that I should just do that. Besides the point, holy crap, these look really good. Yeah, wow, I'm already impressed. But yeah, so these look really good.
I got the dominoes here and field starters. One of them fell on the floor. Let's go to get it right here. Alright. So you know how I said with the dominoes I was gonna do something special with them? Well, what is it? Cut to me doing it right now. Alright. Do it. Alright. You literally can't open neon dominoes without doing this first.
So yeah, we got this neon pink, which looks really, really good. Honestly, I was a bit like iffy at the start of having another blue, but now that we have this other blue, I actually kind of like this because this blue is very nice. And I also need a better lighter blue because the one I had before was utter trash. Yeah, that looks really good. We have the orange, which holy crap. This looks actually amazing.
Yeah, these are really good. Yeah. The colors, I can already see. Wait, let me just see through my sunglasses. Yeah, they're really good. Just to confirm, being colorblind and wearing sunglasses is a double whammy. So, but as a colorblind person, I'd like to say these are amazing. Like, they're like toy grade colors.
This color might be my favorite domino color right now. So we got the field starters, which are exactly the same to the ones that we got in the original kit. So yeah, that's really the unboxing of this kit. Gonna unbox the other kits. Then I'll probably do some tests after this setup is done, which I hope to get done soon. So yeah, let's get on to unboxing the other kits.
Alright, that's enough of me ranting. The Dominoes are good so far. So yeah. I already unboxed the third one if you want to know. What is it? I already built a bunch with them. I dropped one of them. I dropped one with the rose. I should probably put them down. Okay, so yeah, I've already built with one of the sets, and what is it? It's really good, really precise. What is it? It's pretty much perfect. I needed a good green color and what is it? A color that could bridge my blue to my light blue. So that's perfect. And the orange and pink, I didn't need those colors, but they're like a definite step up to my current orange and pink. So really good actually. So yeah. I hope you're able to do something with this pudding.
Alright, so we now have all the Dominoes unboxed, and yeah, I'm gonna do some tests with these along with combining these with the original kits, and yeah, see what we can create with that.
Thanks for watching, and thanks to Luke Domino for helping me with a lot of this video. Be sure to subscribe to Luke Domino and I for more chain reaction content in the future. That's all from me. Have a nice day.